Hello everyone. Let us construct altitude of a triangle using ruler and set squares and paper folding. Let us recall altitude. The altitude of a triangle is a perpendicular line segment drawn from a vertex to the opposite side. So if we draw a perpendicular line from this vertex to the opposite side, this is the altitude for this base. Similarly, for this base, for this opposite side, we'll draw the altitude from this vertex. So we'll draw a line segment which is perpendicular to the opposite side, and this is the altitude of this triangle corresponding to this base. Let us now construct altitude using paper folding. For this, we need a cutout piece of paper in the shape of triangle. Now, if we consider this as the base, we fold the triangle in this direction, such that when we fold it, the crease lies exactly at this vertex. So we fold it like this. Then we'll open this. Once we do, we'll see that there is a crease. Now we can just draw a line at this crease, and this is the altitude because this line is perpendicular to the opposite side. Next, let us construct altitude using ruler and set square. So, if we need to construct altitude for this triangle ABC, where BC is the base, we first keep the ruler aligned to the base like this. Then we'll place the set square on the ruler such that one of the edges of the right angle touches the ruler. In the set square, this is the right angle. Correct. So this edge and this edge are the edges of the right angle. So we can put any of these edges in a way that the edges are touching the ruler. So we place it like this. Next, we slide the set square along the ruler till the vertical edge of the set square touches the vertex A. Then we draw the altitude to BC through A along this vertical edge of the set square. And let's call this point as D, and this AD is the altitude corresponding to base BC for this triangle. Think about this. Does there exist a triangle in which a side is also an altitude? For example, we had this triangle. Let us just make this altitude as the side. So now in this triangle ABC, you will see that it only happens when one of the angles is a right angle. Right? And such triangles having one right angle are called right-angled triangles or simply right triangles. So a right triangle is a triangle in which the side is the altitude. One of the side is an altitude.